Hi, I'm Ken. Let's see, we're going to take a look at how you add pictures to your blog entries. And let's be honest here, pictures are critical. A lot of the people out there just do not like to read, and giving them a page full of text is going to, well, it's just not going to excite them. You really need to mix in some pictures. And there's times I've posted blog entries that almost are, they're almost like a comic book with more picture than words. But you do what's right for your blog, and I'll just show you how to do it. So first off, here you are, you're typing away on your blog, and you always wondered what this button is in the lower left corner that says Manage Media. And that's Managing Media is where you go to put pictures. First thing you'll see when you click it, it says what kind of media item would you like to add. And by media, they're referring to images, maps, or video. And I'm sure we'll add more over time. But an image is a picture. So you click there, and next thing you're going to see is a page that asks you to upload a picture. And once you've uploaded a picture, you just click on it on your local computer or on your smartphone. And it gives you a little thumbnail of it, and there it shows the picture. And that's it. Now that you've done it, you can click this button to add it, or, well, as soon as you click to add it, you're going to see it here on the left. It'll appear to the left. In fact, you'll see the list of all the pictures you've added here on the left. And if you want to add them, then you click on the picture. It'll give you two options. One says to insert it, the other is to view it. View it is just so you can see it bigger if you've forgotten what the picture is and can't tell from the little thumbnail. But as soon as you click to insert it, it's going to insert it, but what you'll see on screen is just this little placeholder. We just put this little boxed version of the thumbnail. We just don't worry about formatting and stuff until we get ready to display your blog entry. If you want to see what it looks like, though, you can just click Preview. And Preview, I'll tell you, is kind of a funny definition in that it's showing you what it looks like on your computer screen or wherever, or your iPad screen, wherever you're creating your blog. But what we do is when we're actually generating the blog for different media, we'll control how it looks like to make sure it looks good where it's being displayed. So if it's being displayed on a computer, it might look one way. In email, it might look another. If it's on a smartphone and you rotate it, it might look different. So here's a quick preview of your blog entry with the picture in it. And as soon as you return, you get back to this page. Now let's take a look at how we might add a caption to the picture. And once again, you click on Manage Media Items. And you notice this little edit symbol above the thumbnail of the picture. We're going to click on that. And it gives us a chance to add a caption. A caption is just some text that shows up beneath your picture that better describes the picture. And that caption will stay with the picture, and in a minute you'll see why it's important that captions be handled slightly different than the rest of your blog. Here, when we go back to Preview to look at it, notice how the caption shows up right under the picture, nice and centered, in the slightly different font. And if we return to our blog to look at it, you notice how it shows a preview image, and that looks real nice. If you click on it, and here I was showing a blog entry that happened to have two pictures in it, it gives you kind of a full screen view, and at the bottom little thumbnails so that the users can step between the pictures and notice our caption here on the picture. So those captions are important because when people click on pictures while viewing it, they'll get a nice slideshow of the picture, all the pictures that are in the blog. And that's it. I hope you can add pictures to your blog now.